Oh yes guys, welcome back to my channel, welcome back. That's all my strategy about the following week. How everything was good for you all along the week. And then this is my GBPUSD will not be long and the video. Otherwise, if you'd like to have free signals every single day, you can subscribe to get your free signals. Here we got the GBPUSD. As you can see here, I hope you pay close attention about every single decision you're going to take and the market. So guys, here I'm the 1 day, I'm going quickly and 1 month to give you a clear idea why I take that entry like that. As you can see, we got the market now in that zone, and then we got too many bearish candle, and we're supposed to got a hop here. Maybe if the market willing to drop again, we're supposed to get a high first. As you can see in that zone, that can be in that zone here. Let me give you a clear idea. The market can maybe come up first before the drop. Before the drop, the market maybe come up. So that is why I'm willing to take my next entry in the market as a bullish. As you can see here, once I got a pullback, and then I'll take my entry in the market. Don't forget that all these strategies for the following week, otherwise you can use it for your personal knowledge. That can be good for you as well. So as you can see, I determined the market like that. We got a trend like that, and then we got the support here. The market broke the support, and then supposed to retest the zone and then to come up. So that's my GBPUSD guys. Quickly, as you can see here, if you want to take advantage of that market, if you want to take advantage of that, you have to pay close attention about the price here. As you can see, that's my price. That's where I'm going to take my entry in the market, and my first move is supposed to be 147. That can be a 146. That depends. However, that's my strategy on the GBPUSD. So quickly guys, let me go ahead and the USD. Okay, in the USD, that's the 4 hours. Let me give you a clear idea about the move. As you can see here, the market come up, and we're supposed to get a drop here because of that zone. That's a support. The market is supposed to come back again. That can be maybe today. We're on Sunday. That can be today or tomorrow, and then on Thursday I'm going to take my entry in the market. I'm supposed to take my first take profit in that zone. So guys, pay close attention if you want to take advantage. Otherwise, if you don't see any confirmation, you don't have to take your entry if you'd like to take advantage of the market. I do appreciate that you are here with me every single day, and then we will be live all along the week also to take advantage of the market. So let me go ahead and the gold. Okay, and the gold as well, as you can see here guys, that was the move all along the week. The market just broke that zone. That's the resistance level. The market broke that zone, and we're supposed to get pulled back in that zone. As you can see, that zone here is a really nice and huge zone, and then once the market broke that zone, we'll take our entry in the bullish candle. That can be our confirmation, and then to take our first take profit here guys. So pay close attention if you'd like to take advantage of that. As I said, that's the price. If you'd like to take advantage of that, you can use it over. You can use a video to maybe test your knowledge. That can be like that. That's my trend, as you can see here. And then that's the support zone. I determined the support like that, and the recent zones, the market just broke that zone, and then we're waiting to take our first profit here. So guys, let me go ahead and the GBPJPY and the GBPJPY as well. Let me go ahead and the 1 month. Show you here. Let me show you here clearly. Okay, in the 1 month we got something like that. As you can see, the market winning to come up. We got a pullback here. We got a nice pullback here, as you can see. The right candle here is the pullback in that zone. Let me go in the weekly. Yes, as you can see, that's the pullback here. The market just come again and the support zone, and then we're willing to take our entry as a bullish entry in the market all along the week. Let me go in the 1 day. Pay close attention guys, I do appreciate that. Thank you for being here on my channel. And as you can see here guys, the pullback, and then we got a nice candle here. That depends. Don't forget that that's the 1 day and the 4 hours. I'm going to show where I'll take my entry. I'll take my entry here guys. I'll take my entry here. Once I got a pullback in that zone, my entry will be here, and I can place my stop loss over there. And then let me determine my first profit with you guys. That's supposed to be my first profit. That's supposed to be the first one. That can be a 143, and then the second profit can be here guys. The second profit can be here. So pay close attention. That can be a 146. So guys, pay close attention, and I do appreciate that. Thank you for being here again. All along the will be live, and then we'll share signals every single day in the channel with you guys. If you want to take advantage of that position, don't forget that you can subscribe, and we are on Instagram, Telegram as well. And guys, I hope you have a blessed week, and then we'll take profit together in the market. Thank you for being here. Peace.